So I'm back with the MacBook Pro a1502, and I'm working on a power management issue. And I'm basically just going to do what it tells me to do in the documentation, or at least what I think it tells me to do. So, follow along. So to be clear, we are in this directory. In this directory, you have these files, and configuration file is what we are editing over here. And we will go to that's not what I wanted to do. Alright, Nix, GitHub hardware. And I'm going to go down to MacBook Pro, or Mac or Apple. And I'm going to go down to MacBook Pro. If I remember right, this is 12-1. And wireless won't connect after hibernate. And then here's the default. Power management. So we are just going to imports. That's imports. This is imports. So we're just going to copy this code. No, it's hard to see. Let's see. So yeah, like I said, this is imports right here. And this is imports in the configuration file, my configuration file. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it in here. We'll see how this works. Why is there an X there? Oh, because it's on the same line. That's just Vim. And then power management. Oh, you can just copy all this and paste it. USB system, we have right after suspend if unless we disable it. So we're going to copy and paste all this. And then we're going to rebuild. All right, so WQ to save, if you know how to use Vim, and then What? I don't run rebuild often. I usually run rebuild switch, so I don't know what this is all about. Maybe we can just do rebuild build. How about that? Let's see if that works. I don't know what the problem is. Maybe let's do that. Right, we're just gonna run rebuild switch. Yep, still the same problem. I bet it has something to do with like the kernel number being different or something. But let's just see if I have the syntax right. I don't know. Alright, this is the error. Say, I'm just gonna do what it tells me to and try and show the full trace. Yeah, what's weird is that like there's nothing. System bootloader. Just gonna see if bootloader. Yeah, it doesn't show up in that file, so this is. This is something that I already had in my config. I think it's because it's a different path. I changed paths or whatever, channels, and now this syntax is wrong. It's my working theory.